Good morning, cadets. Many of your friends are there in the school. This video session for those who could not make it to school because of various reasons, but we expect you to join the school at the earliest. In last few video sessions we discussed about the question and answers related to the chapter, that is nationalism in India. Nationalism in India, several times I told you, is a very important chapter because this chapter got its own prominence in various competitive examinations which you are going to face in future. We discussed about 1 mark questions, 3 mark question, and the question which require a detailed explanation. Today let us continue from the question number 8 till question number 7 I covered in the last video session. Question number 8. The question number 8 deals about the Dandi March or Salt Satyagraha led by Mahatma Gandhi. Movement started with the Salt March. Thousands broke Salt Law. If you could remember what is Salt Law, according to the Salt Law, Indians were not allowed to manufacture the salt. At the same time, Indians were not allowed to sell the salt. So monopoly or the taxation of over the production of salt was enjoyed only by the British government. British not only had a monopoly over the production of salt, they also increased the price of salt. So thousands broke salt law. How they broke salt law? By manufacturing salt. Other important thing which was done is that foreign clothes were boycotted. In India, foreign clothes means those clothes which were manufactured in the factories in Britain. In India, khadi clothes were purely Indian clothes. But British dumped their clothes manufactured in England in Indian market. So foreign clothes were boycotted. Not only foreign clothes were boycotted, foreign liquor shops picketed. Picketing is nothing but peaceful dharna in front of a particular shop where you want to close down or show your anger. So picketing done in front of the shops. Then peasants refused to pay taxes. Peasants refused to pay taxes. People are now asked not only to refuse cooperation with the British, but also to break colonial laws. So the farmers were asked to break the laws by not paying tax. So these are the major important things. So question number 9. Question number 9, that is regarding participation of women in the freedom movement. Women participation was in large scale. They participated in protest march, manufactured salt, picketed foreign clothes and liquor shops, began to see service to the nation is the sacred duty. Regarding participation of women in the freedom struggle, till 1925, participation of women in freedom struggle was not so encouraging. That is the reason why Mahatma Gandhi took the initiation of requesting Sarojini Naidu to chair the Indian National Congress. And when Sarojini Naidu took the leadership of chairing Indian National Congress session, it attracted several women to actively participate in the freedom movement. In class 10th, when I study the rise of nationalism in Europe, there also we are seen in the initial days women participation in the freedom movement in Europe was not so encouraging. But when the price of food grains increased enormously, and when other difficulties increased, slowly the women participation in the national movements increased in European countries, same with India. So women participation was in large scale, especially after 1925. Women also participated in protest march like Dandi March, many other march. But even in even in the protest against Simon Commission. So they also involved in manufacturing of salt, picketed in front of foreign clothes, those shops which were selling foreign clothes and foreign liquor. Question number 10. Question number 10. Let us check what is question number 10. Why did Indians oppose Simon Commission? Why did Indians oppose Simon Commission? Simon Commission arrived in India in the year 1928. The very purpose of Simon Commission to recommend certain reforms to introduce in the administration in India by the British. Not only the major intention was not only that. After the grand success of non-cooperation movement, British wanted to pacify Indians so that there will be less rebellion against the British government. So Simon Commission, it is told that Simon Commission under the leadership of Sir John Simon, the Simon Commission was constituted to suggest reforms. But what was the major problem? Simon Commission not mentioned any major reforms for the development of India. And major problem or major area where Indians were not happy with the Simon Commission was that not even a single Indian was there in the Simon Commission. Because the Simon Commission, which arrived in India to suggest improvements for the administration, the Indian National Congress demanded that so at least few Indian leaders of those days should be the members of Simon Commission, which was not accepted by the British government. That is what, not even a single Indian was the member of Simon Commission. The Indian people felt offended by the commission. So the Indian National Congress demanded for inclusion of Indians in the Simon Commission, which was refused by the Simon Commission. That is why Indians felt offended by the commission. The fear that the British would lord it over them without giving serious thought to their interest. So the fear that British overlord it them and without give a serious thought of interest. The Simon Commission was opposed by the Indian by showing the placard, "Go back, Simon." So that is what the Simon Commission. Question number 11. Plantations workers had their own understanding of Mahatma Gandhi. The ideas of notion of Swaraj support the statement. Question number 12. How did a variety of cultural processes play an important role in making nationalism in India? Explain with the example. 13. Not all social groups were moved by abstract concept of Swaraj. Support the statement in light of civil disobedience movement of 1930s. So answer to the question number 11. Plantation workers had their own meaning of Swaraj. How the plantation workers perceived Swaraj? Right to move freely in and out of confined space. Those days, those were working as laborers in the tea and coffee estates. They were not allowed to move out from the estates. So for them, the concept of Swaraj is nothing but allow them freely in and out of their confined working space. So for the people who are in the plantation working, for them Swaraj is not the freedom to the country. It is only freedom in a confined space. That is what Swaraj for them. Retaining a link with village from which they had to come. So the laborers wanted to have a link with their village, because most of them were not allowed to visit their village, because most of them were bonded laborers. So they were not allowed to visit the village, so completely cut off. So they wanted to retain the link with the village from which they had come. When they heard of non-cooperation movement, thousands of workers defied authorities and they left plantation. So when these plantation workers heard about non-cooperation movement, thousands of workers defied authorities and they left the plantation. They believed that Gandhi Raj was coming, everyone would be given land of their own in their own villages. So they believed that Gandhi Raj, according to Gandhi Raj, everyone get a piece of land in their own village. So that is about Swaraj, the concept of Swaraj in the plantation. So write down the question and answers. And you have to submit all those points when you are back in the school. We discussed about important questions of various chapters. So naturally You have to write these important points. Coming to 12th question. Sense of collective belongingness come through the experience of united struggle. So united struggle, or the people plan to fight unitedly against the government. That is what the sense of collective belongingness come through the experience of united struggle. Variety of cultural processes through which the nationalism captured people's imagination. So nationalism captured the people's imagination. Variety of cultural processes through which the nationalism captured people's imagination. History, fiction, folklore and songs, popular prints and symbol played an important role in making nationalism. So in making nationalism, what played an important role? That is history, fiction, folklore, songs, popular prints, all those things played a major role in making of nationalism. Identity of nation is more often symbolized with the figure or an image. So figure or an image of Bharat Mata, it made most prominent. It helped to create an image with which people can identify with the nation. It helped to create an image with which the people can identify the nation. So identification of the nation mainly done with the concept of nationalism in India. Let us check the question number 13. Not all social groups were moved by the abstract concept of Swaraj. What is this question is all about? This is that we are checking, is every Indian is moved with the idea of Swaraj, or is every Indian supported the idea of Swaraj? Many scheduled castes and tribes come together under umbrella of depressed class movement. So depressed class association. So the people belong to scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. They were not interested to support Swaraj movement. They were organized under the depressed class association started by B.R. Ambedkar. Many leaders of these classes demanded their political representation through reservation. So depressed class and Ambedkar demanded that more importance should be given to the downtrodden or depressed class by reserving certain constituencies for them. That is what depressed class association is all demanded all about. Many Muslim leaders expressed their concern about status of Muslim as a minority in India. Muslim leaders felt that the Indian National Congress, led by Hindus, majority the leaders of Indian National Congress were Hindus. So Muslims felt that status of Muslim as a minority is a big question mark. That's why Muslims felt that importance should be given to them. They feared their culture and identity be submerged under the domination of majority. So Muslims felt that the Muslim minority culture and their identity may be submerged because of the domination of the majority. So that is what we talk about this particular issue. Practice question. How did People belong to the different community or religion or language group developed a sense of collective belongingness. You have to answer yourself. What are the effects of non-cooperation movement on economic front? What were the reasons for gradual slowing down of the non-cooperation movement in the cities? Evaluate the role of women in different movements in India. Write a short note on Pune Pact. So 5 questions, practice questions you have to answer. So with this I completed the session of question and answer related to the nationalism in India. So nationalism in India we discussed in very length, so that not even each and every corner of the chapter is touched. Now only I look from you that you complete the task assigned to you and submit. Thank you. Wish you a wonderful day. Thank you very much.